Welcome into the channel, everyone. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. Another day, another blast video because I am so mega bullish on this chain. And today we're going to talk about how you guys can get an early access node that's going to pay you daily and qualify for more airdrops. So today we're going to be talking about Zap. Zap.tech is their website. But first, I just want to give you guys a quick update on where I'm at with Blast and why I'm getting even more bullish on it. I have another video ready to go about another airdrop we're doing on Blast. That'll be out before this one. But just so you guys can kind of keep up to date with what's going on, Blast is still at number 6. It's gone up 133% this month. Again, this is total value locked on all chains. So it's already beating Base, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimism, Mantle, Starknet, a bunch of layer 2s. And again, there's no token yet, okay? So that's why we're doing this, to get that airdrop. And then last night, I watched this interview with Blast's main developer. His nickname is Pac-Man. This is a really good video if you guys want to take the time to watch it. I don't just like buy coins off of like I see a Twitter post, right? I do a lot of research. So this is definitely worth watching, and you'll understand why I'm so bullish on Blast. Pac-Man is one of the most interesting builders in crypto right now. After creating Blur, a disruptive NFT exchange, the crypto wonder kid is targeting the L2 space with his new yield-bearing L2 called Blast. So he's like the Steve Jobs, the Elon Musk of, blockchain right now. Super genius, super smart, and he kind of just lays out his vision for Blast in this interview. So I'd highly recommend you guys watch that. You can follow Zap on Twitter. They already have 65,000 users, which is always good to see. So let's get into, why I'm bullish on this. Obviously, we're getting in early, so there's always risk, but they're basically an incubator for new protocols that are come out on Blast, and we're going to get early access to those. So they're going to give them a dedicated account manager, advisory services, access to Zap partners, access to external funding, and then post-launch support. The Zap launch offers a platform for permissionless token launches, providing the most simple way to bring a new token to market. With launch, projects can set up and raise, create their token, and route liquidity to a DEX of their choice. The best part, it only takes a few minutes. My prediction is I think this will be the main incubator and place where people want to get onto Blast. They're going to go through Zap. And then we're going to have Zap drops. So if people want to do airdrops, they're going to have everything set up for them. They're going to have the community. There'll be certain tasks that we can do as well to get more points. So I really like that we're here early. It's on a new chain that is getting a lot of use, and that's why I'm mega bullish on this. Now the vault benefits, your Zap vault unlocks. So it's not a real node. It's not like we're like securing a network. It's really just, a way to get tokens and support the project early. So your Zap vault unlocks benefits and Zap rewards distributed at daily frequency. Think of a vault like Access Pass to Zap benefits, all bundled into one. So you're going to get daily Zap rewards, a multiplier on staking rewards, mystery NFT drops, exclusive Zap benefits, priority access to new features, and periodic power for completing missions. So 20% of the total Zap reward supply is reserved for Zap vault holders and will be distributed daily over a period of 900 days. So we're looking at, 3 years of rewards. The pool allocation begins with 150,000 rewards distributed daily to users at midnight. I'm not sure what the date is for that, or if it's already started. 20% of the vault supply is reserved for a bonus pool. By actively participating in the ecosystem and growing your referrals and vault holdings, you can earn more rewards. As you get more referrals, you'll get more power, more tokens, whatever. So I will have a referral code down below. Once I get it, you guys will see it. So please use that. I'd appreciate it. Shout out to my good friend, Sean Logan. We've been working together for 5-6 years. He actually found this, so I'm going to be using his link to join. It's going to be it says here, I don't know the exact count. I know they've already sold 10,000 vaults. So I'm guessing it's going to be a little under 1,300 to buy one of these. And again, I don't know when you're going to get your money back or whatever. You never really know when you're getting in this early. You're just kind of taking a leap of faith. And most of the time when I've done that, it turns out being very positive. I pulled some Gala rewards for my Gala node to buy this. So it's like I just keep, once you get one node, you can use the money from that node to get another node. And it's just like buying real estate. You just keep getting more and more income producing assets. So let's start our journey. Now, if you already have money on Blast, you don't have to do this. I don't have enough to buy the node using this money, and I want to keep a lot of this here. So if you just go to Bridge here, you're going to have to pay Ethereum gas fees, okay? I'm not going to do that to you guys, so I'm going to show you a better way to do it. You want to use Synapse Protocol, and I'll put a link to this down below, but I've been using this all the time to bridge onto Blast. So we're going to click Enter Bridge. It's best to just get USDT on Polygon. So I'm going to select my USDT, and I'm going to go to Blast, and I'll get USDB. I'm actually getting a little bit more USDB because of the exchange rate. So we're going to approve USDT. So if you're starting from scratch, go to crypto.com, go to Coinbase, whatever it is, get USDC on Polygon and send it to your Rabby or MetaMask wallet. And then you're going to come to Synapse and bridge it. So now we're going to bridge it. We first just approved USDT. So now we will sign and create and confirm that. Okay, you can see right here, it will tell you how your transaction's going. So it's going to take about 5 minutes, and then when that hits Blast, we'll pick it up and get our vault. Okay, our Blast is complete, so we should be able to come here and see. Now I have 1865 here. That's in my wallet. All right, so we have enough to purchase the vault. So I'm going to go to Sean's video, and you guys will go to mine below and click on this. Okay, so confirm payment. I'm just going to get one vault. This is Sean's referral code. I'll double check. QFW. Yep. Connect our wallet. We'll click Rabby. Create and confirm that. All right, so it's going to be $13.25 total right now, and then as more people buy vaults, that price goes up. What? $15 for every 200 people. All right, so we're going to just click complete purchase. Sign and confirm that. And this is me actually sending the $13.25 to buy the vault. All right, purchase successful. All right, so my referral code is QCVX22. I'll put this link down below so you guys can purchase a vault. All right, so you guys can see 11,191 have been sold. So 9 more until that'll put them at 12,000, and then that price will go up. You can see here, daily reward payout is 150,000. So daily Zap incentives, enhanced staking rewards, additional mystery drops. We kind of covered that. Wow. They're dropping Pudgy Penguins. I don't know if you guys know, but those are some of the best NFTs out there. I don't know if everyone would get one or just some people, but I guess we'll find out. Okay, and the last thing you guys want to make sure you do is go to Explore Drops, and you can connect your wallet, and then to start earning some XP to get different drops, subscribe to their mailing list, join their Telegram, their Discord, and follow them on X to get some XP. So I'm going to do this and get on the leaderboard, and then I'll start getting my daily payouts from my vaults. So I will let you guys know how that's going. All right, so just another passive income play on Blast. Get as much Ethereum as you can onto Blast to start racking up those points. And I will keep bringing you guys videos on how to increase your airdrops and make even more money. All right, lace up, let's get wealthy. Peace.